Okay, so today I'm gonna try to remove this air intake. I think it's called our air intake hose. As you can see, it's broken. Well, you cannot see it actually because I duct taped it, but underneath here, basically it's crack. And then if you start the engine, it will give you like a really rough noise. But in this case, it wouldn't give you rough noise because I already duct taped it. But it will still give you the engine light on. There you go. So you see that? Do you hear that? It's like slightly like it's a bit rough, and the engine light is on too. All right. So hopefully this will solve the problem. Because according to the research on YouTube, this is what many people also has been experiencing. So first what I did is to remove the cover. That's the cover over there, right? And then I just dismantled this thing over here. The screws and the screws here, right, is already loose. And one more thing, I think I'm gonna have to dismantle over here this thing because it's connected. This cable here connected to here. And then that's it. But that's the easy part. The hardest part is to do it. So I do not know. I think I'm gonna remove this filter, L filter. It's just easier to remove it too. Okay, let me see if I can do this. Can you see it from there? Nope. I have to put this camera somewhere. No. Is it? Nope. How do you do this? Hopefully this will not fall my camera. I'm gonna use my glove first. There you go. Because if you open your air filter, you have a more leverage too, according to the Archimedes theorem. Because this is long, so you can move it from your hand here. It's moving, hopefully it will dismantle this thing. We're gonna dismantle this thing. I'm gonna move this thing first. Let's put it pause this for a moment. Still not working. It's kind of stuck there. So I'm gonna use these screws just to widen the gap. See if it works. Yeah, maybe this will work. Just make it like a bit loose because the rubber is kind of like stuck there on the housing. Right. Make sure you use glove when you do this. Right. There you go. Yay! It opened. Yes. One problem solved. Now I'm gonna remove this thing so I don't want it to fall on this ring, to fall on the inside the car. And I'm gonna remove it's on YouTube. Can you see? Now I'm trying to remove this thing over here. I'm gonna replace this air intake in hose. See, it's broken. This what's causing the engine is like sometimes like really have a roughness. That's my son over there. He's watching. Watching is learning. I'm just gonna remove this thing. Okay, I'm gonna tear this apart. Yeah. Oh yes. Yes. We did it. Remove this elephant air hose thing. Okay. Now there's one more thing to remove, this thing here. Okay? When we remove this thing and then we can get this thing off. So I think I need to use clamp for that. So you can just open this like this, like that, and then pull it somehow. Pull, pull, pull. Yeah, that's it. And then you don't want to lose this clamp, okay? You don't want to fall under that and you'll be in big trouble. So save this clamp carefully. And then that's it. And then we just have to remove this thing, this and this over here. That should be easy. Just unscrew this thing over here and over here. Oh, there's the screw. Want to do this? Be careful not to make the screw fall down on over there, okay? Do it over here, because it fall down here. You can see it. You don't want to lose all those screws. We need to reuse it. Yeah. That's it, and try to remove it. Yeah, you might want to wear a glove for this. You might hurt yourself. How do you remove this? It should be just easy. So you just turn it. Let's just turn it. Can you see it? I'm just turning it. So it's going up. Yep, that's it. So you save this. Wait, do I remember how to put this together? Shoot, I don't remember. Okay, before I forgot. I don't want to take all of this out, so I want to, once I remove this, I want to put it in the new air tagging hose, so I don't forget where it belongs. So this is the new air intake host from Amazon. It's about 35 bucks. If you get it from AutoZone, I think it's about double. It's about 60 bucks. So you save like 30 bucks. Okay, so like this. And do you remember what's the orientation? Is it like this or like this? What's the orientation? This is what I'm afraid of. Okay, just put it here.
Where are gloves?
Huh?
Where are the gloves?
You can find it somewhere. Look. What's this first?